Welcome to Hive. We've been working here for really almost a decade now on the internal employee experience for all of our conference rooms and workplaces worldwide.
You would not imagine that there is a building in Microsoft which is full of people sort of experimenting with space and furniture and how people are working.
So our team here is a partnership across our own employee experience team, our global workplace services team, as well as the research and development teams building the product.
It's also our living laboratory. Lots of movable components. You got cardboard tables and styrofoam things that we can move around and do rapid prototyping and testing. So it's our little garage that we can tool around with stuff.
Around the time of the pandemic, one day, everybody around the world just stopped using all of our conference rooms. Very quickly, we realized, okay, something big is happening here. We have a new world where everyone can meet all the time from wherever they are. At the same time, we lost a lot of the human connection. What we are looking at is a sea change in the way that workplaces are going to be designed.
When we gather together to consider how to solve a problem, we all have different ways of approaching it, different ways of looking at it.
Probably the funnest part of my job is figuring out how to break stuff so that then we can figure out how to fix it.
We've got ideas in here that literally came together with a cutting knife, some duct tape, and some cardboard.
I am lucky to be in this space at just the right time. We have accelerated a decade-long change, and we've compressed it in 2 years.
Our work here is made possible because of the platform that we have, and specifically the Teams experience. Every room you walk into, it's just a Teams room, just like the software that's on your device. That's the magic of having a consistent, powerful collaboration platform that get better all the time. It's that partnership that makes all this possible.
And I think creating spaces like this and bringing in real consumers of those spaces and testing this in real environments is really important.
Companies spend huge amounts of money on commercial real estate every year. They're all thinking about how do they need to evolve their workplace, and changing that real estate is especially challenging.
They involve physical changes to the room and furniture, technical changes to the audio-visual equipment and software, and then, of course, trying to optimize this idea of including everyone.
And we will show them rooms that look like the rooms that they're familiar with, and then the exact same space that we've transformed. In one case, we have our fully remodeled room, and that's been fully thought through end to end for an optimal hybrid experience, but at a higher cost. And then in another case, we have a room where we retrofitted it with new furniture and hardware and software, but without changing the fundamental structure of the room. And that eliminates a huge amount of cost in that space while still bringing a real hybrid between the physical and the virtual.
The work that we've done and the work that we continue to do has so much value to external customers that we're going to start to intentionally turn those standards outward.
And so those standards really form the sort of quality guarantee to have that experience for a remote attendee while still giving the people in the room an experience that's meaningfully better. That's the kind of magic that we want to drive.
We're working every day trying to figure out what experiences do we push out that make sense not just for Microsoft, but for everyone.